In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Facebook Messenger from ManyChat. We'll walk through the exact process step by step, and I'll also explain what happens to your contacts and automations so you know exactly what you're agreeing to before you click anything. First, go ahead and log into your ManyChat account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu there. In that sidebar, find the option labeled Settings. It usually has a small gear icon next to it. Click on that to open your account and workspace settings. When the settings page opens, look once again to the left side. You'll see a list of different sections, and one of these is called Channels. This is where ManyChat manages the different platforms your bot is connected to, like Messenger, Instagram, or others. Under the Channels section, you'll see Messenger listed as one of the connected channels. Go ahead and click on Messenger to open the Messenger channel settings. Now you're in the dedicated area for managing your Facebook Messenger connection. On this page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Take your time and make sure you really reach the end of the page, because the option we need is located there. At the bottom, you'll find a section that refers to removing your Facebook page from your ManyChat account. Next to that description, there will be a button labeled Remove. Click this button to start the removal process. As soon as you click Remove, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is an important step because removing the page is permanent. The pop-up will show you some key information, including how many Messenger contacts are currently stored in this ManyChat account and a warning about what will happen next. Specifically, ManyChat will tell you that all of your Messenger contacts will be deleted and all automations connected to that page will be stopped. If you're absolutely sure that you want to proceed, carefully read the warnings in the pop-up. You'll see checkboxes that you need to mark to confirm that you understand two things. First, that all Facebook contacts will be removed from ManyChat. And second, that you won't be able to restore them in the future. After checking those boxes, type the word remove into the field provided. This is a final confirmation step to prevent accidental removals. Once you've typed remove, click the confirm button at the bottom right of the pop-up. At that point, your Facebook Messenger page will be removed from ManyChat, along with its contacts and automations.